Are you trying to decide between LeadPages and Thrive Architect for your next landing page builder? Well, stick around because today we'll be diving deep into both tools and comparing them to help you figure out which one really stands out. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform can best help you build high-converting landing pages, and spoiler alert, the winner might not be what you expect. First things first, let's talk about ease of use. LeadPages is known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. It's quick to get started with, especially if you're a beginner. You get tons of pre-designed templates, so you're not starting from scratch. However, it's also somewhat limited when it comes to design flexibility. It's great for speed, but not necessarily for advanced customization. On the other hand, Thrive Architect offers a more robust set of customization options. The interface can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to page builders, but for those who want complete control over design, Thrive Architect really shines. The flexibility to customize everything down to the smallest detail is a major plus if you're okay with the learning curve. So, ease of use? LeadPages takes the lead here, but if you're looking for total control, Thrive Architect might be your winner. Next thing, pricing. LeadPages is subscription-based, which can add up over time, especially if you want more advanced features like A/D testing or more integrations. It starts at $39 per month for the basic plan, and that can quickly get expensive. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, is a one-time purchase. You pay $67 for the plugin, and after that, it's yours. It might feel like a bigger investment up front, but it could save you money in the long run if you're going to be using it frequently. Now, let's talk about features. LeadPages offers built-in integrations with popular marketing tools, email providers, and CRM systems. It's great for those who need a quick, easy solution to build and launch their landing pages. But if you're looking for advanced features like split testing, Thrive Architect offers more in-depth options. Thrive's integrations, though, aren't as expansive, and you might need a third-party tool to plug in some of your other software. Next thing, customer support. LeadPages has 24/7 customer service, which is a huge win if you need immediate help. They also offer tons of tutorials and a dedicated support center. Thrive Architect, however, doesn't have the same level of support. You're mainly relying on a ticketing system and community forums, which can feel a bit slow if you're dealing with a time-sensitive issue. Moving on, let's talk performance. Both tools are fast and reliable, but LeadPages tends to have a slight edge in terms of loading speed. Because it's hosted on their servers, your landing pages tend to load faster. Thrive Architect, being a WordPress plugin, depends on your hosting provider, so speed can vary depending on where you're hosting your site. But if you're already running a high-performing WordPress site, Thrive Architect will integrate smoothly without sacrificing performance. The fourth thing is the long-term value. If you're planning to scale your business, Thrive Architect could be a better long-term option because of its one-time payment and the flexibility it offers. LeadPages may work well for smaller businesses or those with limited design needs, but as your business grows, Thrive Architect will allow you to build more complex, high-converting pages without continually paying a monthly fee. And finally, let's wrap this up. While both LeadPages and Thrive Architect have their strengths, it ultimately depends on your needs. LeadPages is perfect for beginners who want something simple and fast to use. But if you're someone who values full control and is ready to invest in a one-time purchase, Thrive Architect might be the way to go. But before you make your decision, I want to let you in on something exclusive. We've partnered with a platform that offers a free trial with some amazing benefits. Plus, we've found some alternatives that might actually work even better for your landing page goals. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So make sure you check out the link below for the details. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your landing page building.